iOS 14 has a lot of great features. One of those features is pinning contacts within our text messages. Let's see how it works. First, we're going to pull up our text messages, and this is going to be a great way to easily access the people that we text a lot. I'm then going to hold, and now I have a pop-up. I'm then going to tap Unpin. Now I could easily access this contact. Once again, I'm going to hold and select Pin. If I decide later I no longer want this person pinned anymore, I can go ahead and hold, and now my menu comes up and I could select Unpin.